Hi guys, how are you? Sorry I got so busy with school stuff and helping my mom with our business in Iree Print. Was it correct ba? Anyway, I just want to show you my package from FaithLift. I already cut it. So let's get it. Sorry, because the background is so noisy. Maybe there's an instruction near our house. It has their logo. Okay. Mommy, girly, and baby Iree, your hearts are pure and your love are selfless. Wishing Happy Women's Month to the most amazing woman in the world. May the both of you always shine and spread light all around. Happy Women's Month. See? It's a very nice letter. Okay, let's get the necklace. Ooh, look. It's rose gold. By the way, guys, this angel heart necklace is a perfect gift for yourself or the person you love for any occasion. And this angel heart necklace symbolizes unconditional love, guidance, faith, and abundance. It is also hypoallergenic, so it is safe to wear for sensitive skin type. By the way, if you want to purchase like this or any necklace from FaithLift, just use code IREE200 to get a discount. I just want to share this to you. If you are experiencing sorrowful moments right now, please stay in faith. This moment shall pass. And God will not brought you this far just to leave you. He is ever loving and faithful. Stay in faith, let go, and let God. He knows what's best for you. You simply have to put all your trust in God because you are His child and you are His masterpiece. Our Father in heaven is too good to be mistaken and too good to be unkind, so why doubt? After all, He is the wisest and He loves you so much. Just trust the process. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something from me. And thank you, FaithLift, for this beautiful necklace. Bye!